Probably you are watching this video because you also got wrong answer on test 19 like me, or probably you are just finding the solution of this problem. Don't worry, we will cover the both in this video. Before jumping into this discussion, I would like to recommend you to subscribe my channel and turn on the notification for upcoming videos. In this problem, we have two strings S and T, and we have one extra button called backspace other than 26 buttons for letters. While typing a string, backspace button erases the current last letter from the string. For example, if we typed string ABC and then press backspace, it will erase the last letter C and the string will become AB. Now, while typing string S, we have to generate string T with these 27 buttons. We can press as much buttons as the length of string S. Just have a closer look that once we are pressing a button, we are sacrificing two characters. One character is instead of which we are pressing backspace button, and the other character is which we are deleting by pressing the backspace button. For example, suppose the string is ABCD. After typing ABC, if we press the backspace button instead of character D, then the character C will be deleted. And notice that we are also not writing character D. That means we are sacrificing two characters. It indicates that chosen two consecutive characters from string S will have different parity. And one more thing is if we don't take a postfix substring from string S, then this substring must have an even length. For example, consider this test case. Here, after taking AB from string S, if we press backspace instead of pressing C, it will delete the character B and the remaining string will be A. So it's easy to see that the deleted number of characters from the right will always be even. We will use all these observations to solve this problem. Now let's come to the solution. We will traverse the string S from the end considering two characters jump. This type of jump is to make sure that we leave even number of characters in the right. Once a character is matched with the last character of string T, then we will try to build up a two-pointer solution from here. As we see earlier, the consecutive characters must have different parity. So if we are choosing a character from string S on some odd position, then the next character will be on some even position and vice versa. That's why we did I minus equal to when we are not choosing the character, and this way the parity remains same. Now with this traversal process, if we can traverse full string T, then it indicates that the answer exists and we will print yes. Otherwise, if the answer does not exist, then we will print no. One more thing I want to talk about is maybe few of you have applied the same idea by doing the strings traversal from start to end. In that case, you might have stuck on test case 19. If so, then try this test case. Maybe you will find what is wrong with your approach. I have put my solution code in the description box. I hope you have found this video helpful, and if so, then don't forget to like this video. Thanks for watching.